Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France, a place where timeless romance meets world-class elegance, and every view captures the magic of the City of Light. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the beauty of the Eiffel Tower together. Welcome to Paris, the City of Light, where romance, art, and timeless beauty converge. Rising proudly above the Parisian skyline, the Eiffel Tower is more than just a landmark. It is the beating heart of France's identity and a symbol recognized across the globe. Constructed in 1889 as the centerpiece of the World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with skepticism. Yet over time, it became one of the most beloved icons of human creativity and engineering. Today, it welcomes millions of travelers each year, each captivated by its towering presence and the spirit of Paris it represents. By day, the Eiffel Tower shines in the soft hues of the Parisian sky. From its base, you feel dwarfed by its iron latticework, an intricate masterpiece of design. As you ascend, the city of Paris unfolds beneath you. The winding River Seine, the grand boulevards, and the charming rooftops stretching into the distance. At sunset, the tower transforms. Golden rays bathe the structure in warm light, while the city glows with an ethereal charm. And when night falls, the magic begins. Every evening, the Eiffel Tower sparkles with 20,000 glittering lights, dazzling visitors in a breathtaking display. Few sights on earth can compare to standing beneath those sparkling beams, surrounded by the laughter of travelers and the romance of Paris. But the Eiffel Tower isn't just about views. It's about experiences. Stroll along the Champ de Mars gardens, enjoy a picnic with the tower as your backdrop, or dine at one of its restaurants, where French cuisine meets unforgettable panoramas. Each moment here is a memory in the making. For travelers, the best times to visit are during spring and autumn. In spring, cherry blossoms and fresh blooms bring color to Parisian streets, while autumn paints the city in shades of gold and red. Mornings are calm and perfect for peaceful exploration, while evenings offer vibrant nightlife in illuminated cityscapes. Whether you see it from afar, framed between Parisian streets, or stand at its feet gazing upward in awe, the Eiffel Tower is a reminder of why Paris has captivated the world for centuries. It is elegance, wonder, and timeless beauty, almost like captured in one monument. So when you find yourself in Paris, let the Eiffel Tower be more than a stop on your journey. Let it be a chapter in your story, a moment of magic, and a symbol of dreams reaching skyward. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Eiffel Tower. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.